Hey, my name is Jim. I'm a husband and a father, and this channel is all about projects I do on my cars that try to save money and beat the budget. The videos I put up on this channel are videos of me working on cars that I own, run, and drive every day. You need to know that I am not a trained mechanic or certified in anything mechanical. This is me amateur DIYing car fixes to beat the budget. Do my best to answer any questions that you might have, so feel free to comment on the videos and I'll do my best to respond with whatever knowledge I have. Thanks for checking out the channel. I hope the videos here help you save time and money you can reinvest back into your life in better ways. Catch you in the videos below.